Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are gonna give our reaction on the trailer of the film Lakshmi Bomb.
Yeah, so it got released today itself, and the film is going to release on 9th November. So we have already got to see the motion poster of Lakshmi Bomb, and Akshay Kumar ji was looking, fantastic. He was disguised as a transgender, I think.
Yeah.
And she was like, the look was looking very bold at the same time, like a little bit of spooky. It was like the आवाज़ जो आवाज़ आ रहा था ना, वो जो ये करने का जो उल्लू देता है, जो बंगाली में बोलते हैं, उस आवाज़ के साथ उसका जो अपीयरेंस था, इट वाज लाइक very well synced and it was very powerful at the same time. So we are hoping that trailer में भी वैसा कुछ दिखने को मिलेगा. So let's get started, but before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay.
ये भूत कुछ नहीं होता है.
हाँ, ghost only.
जिस दिन सच में मेरे सामने भूत आया ना, तो माँ कसम चूड़ियां पहन लूंगा, चूड़ियां.
दुबई. वाव.
अरे रत्ना, देखा जरा कौन है? अरे मैं आपसे मिलने आया था, आप अल्लाह को प्यारे हो गए. कौन हो भाई? अरे
ये बाहर के लोग नहीं है, ये मेरी फैमिली है.
आप शराब कब से पी रही हैं?
बचपन से. कल रात मैंने एक काली परछाई देखी.
इस बीमारी को सियोफोबिया कहते हैं, फियर ऑफ शैडो, यानी परछाई से डरना. सबसे बड़ा भूत तो यही है वो परछाई.
आसिफ, वो मेरे पिताजी है. हम यहाँ पे बुक इम्प्रेस करने आए हैं, भूत भगाने नहीं आए हैं.
तो डराते क्यों है सबको?
वो प्रेत आत्मा खतरनाक और बहुत शक्तिशाली है.
तो कुछ पी लिया उसके बाद ही शायद.
बताओ कैसी लग रही है?
हाँ, अच्छी लग रही हो.
अच्छी लग रही है. आई लव यू. छोड़ मुझे. हाथ क्यों लगाता है? शर्म नहीं आती? घर की गई का. जिस दिन मेरे सामने भूत आया ना, तो माँ कसम चूड़ियां पहन लूंगा, चूड़ियां. विश्वास नहीं था ना तुम्हें मेरी बातों पर? देख लो अपने पति की हरकतें. बहुत बोलने लगे तुम लोग. इसने चूड़ी क्यों पहनी, हल्दी क्यों लगाई, साड़ी क्यों पहनी? तू ही बता बुढ़िया, अगर तेरे को कोई ऐसा हाथ लगाएगा तो तू उसको क्या करेगी? हाँ, मारेगी कि नहीं उसको?
नहीं.
हाँ,
मारूंगी.
हाँ. मैं इस एरिया की क्वीन हूँ. लिव लाइफ क्वीन साइज. मैं यहाँ बहुत जरूरी काम करने आई हूँ.
वाव.
क्या रे, तारे दिख रहे हैं? मुंह टेढ़ा हो गया है. ए अश्विनी, तेरा पति है ना हरामी, टेढ़ा है पर तेरा है. बरसने आ रही है लक्ष्मी.
Okay. So
The trailer was good. Yeah.
ट्रेलर अच्छा था,
था।
लेकिन मुझे एक्चुअली लगा था कि ये कुछ काइंड ऑफ सीरियस टॉपिक पे मूवी होगा, लाइक
But it was more funny.
हाँ, इट वाज इन द कॉमेडी साइड.
Comedy
इट वाज
side.
इन द
It was
कॉमेडी
more
साइड
comedy,
एंड
less horror,
हाँ,
I
लेस
guess.
हॉरर. मतलब ये काइंड ऑफ वो मूवी का है, वो भूल
भूल
भुलैया.
भुलैया.
हाँ, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, भूल भुलैया मूवी के जैसा मुझे लगा, जिसमें भूत नहीं है, वो कोई बीमारी काइंड ऑफ है. यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, बट मुझे लग रहा है ये भूत भी है. कोई ट्रांसजेंडर का भूत होगा होगा जो इनके अंदर घुस गया है, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग
Like that.
that. But I didn't feel that spookiness, and I also didn't feel that this movie is going to be a super duper hit. But
he
that's what I feel.
But he has acted so well.
He has acted so well. That is, very true.
The way he was walking.
He was walking like a literally a transgender, a lady.
Totally, yeah.
Okay,
It was
who is
really
having-
difficult for a man to act like a woman.
It was very difficult, and we all know that Akshay Kumar ji is recognized for his
Acting
this
skill.
kind of unique acting skill that nobody generally can do. अगर हम पैडमैन भी देख लेते हैं या फिर टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा देख लेते हैं, तो ऐसा टाइप का सोशल इशू वाला मूवी वो करते हैं. एंड ये भी मूवी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब झट से कोई लेडी बनने के लिए रेडी नहीं होगा, ठीक है, कोई भी मेल एक्टर आप देख लो,
And it was
but he has
difficult.
done that. It is very difficult to act like a woman. Being a male person, it is very difficult to get that kind of posture,
Attitude, that posture,
attitude,
everything.
okay, क्योंकि हम वुमेन का थोड़ा अलग होता है, एंड यू लिटरली हैव टू लर्न दैट, ओके, टू
He has acted so well. I just can't imagine what to say.
okay, you like that?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
so
liked
what
it.
about the storyline? What you understand by seeing this?
I didn't get much information about what it would be.
Okay, the
but,
context was not
context
clear.
was not clear. We have to
Trailer
see.
was we have to see the whole movie to
Whole
understand the context. But what context I got is like they have shifted to a house, and I think they got married, and then the spooky kind of thing. After he drank something, after that only that spooky incident started
Yeah,
happening.
it was not clear
It was not
properly.
clear, and maybe the house was previously haunted, or something has happened, and after that only the Atma, the spookiness has gone around in the
Transgender
house.
Atma, I
हाँ,
guess.
या फिर ये हो सकता है that he has seen a ghost and what he has told, no, कि अगर मैं कोई आत्मा देख लेता हूँ तो मैं चूड़ियाँ पहन लूँगा. After that only he started behaving like a woman. That also can be happened. So it is not clear, but the storyline, to be very frank, didn't make me happy that much. मुझे लगा था कि ये अगर मूवी कोई ट्रांसजेंडर के ऊपर बनाते तो बहुत अच्छा रहता, लाइक सोशल काइंड ऑफ अवेयरनेस मूवी,
Yes,
जो
yes, obviously.
ट्रांसजेंडर लोगों का
Face करते हैं वो लोग.
डिफिकल्टीज एंड
बहुत
ऑल. मुझे
difficulty
लगा
face
कि
करते
ये
हैं.
दिखाएगा, क्योंकि द मैचिंग ऑफ द मोशन पोस्टर एंड द ट्रेलर वाज नॉट fully matchable. It is completely different. मोशन
this
पोस्टर
kind of-
बहुत सीरियस काइंड ऑफ था, और ये
Yeah.
ट्रेलर एकदम फनी टाइप का
Funny
है.
type का.
तो दैट आई couldn't
And this
understand.
type of films we have seen
We
earlier.
have already seen earlier. अब अगर आप
Like
देख लो,
राजमहल,
हाँ,
भूलभुलैया,
भूलभुलैया,
many
अगर आप
South,
देख लो साउथ
movies.
मूवीज, तेलुगु मूवीज में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो हंसी वाला कॉमेडी काइंड ऑफ
Comedy
बनाने
kind
की
of.
कोशिश किए हैं. तो इट इज़ नॉट दैट यूनिक, एंड आई थिंक वन टाइम पीपल कैन वॉच दिस मूवी एंड दैट्स इट.
That's it.
I am hoping that this kind of movie people should see and love, because that is very much important to be
Entertainment.
happy. हाँ, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बट कोई रियलिस्टिक मुझे उतना नहीं लगा.
मुझे भी.
हाँ, रियलिस्टिक उतना नहीं है, राइट. मतलब हंसने के लिए या कॉमेडी के लिए अच्छा
Entertainment
है,
के लिए अच्छा है,
बट
लेकिन-
रियलिस्टिक ये नहीं है. और हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि रियलिस्टिक अभी के ज़माने में मूवी होते हैं. रियलिस्टिक तो उतने होते नहीं है, बट नाइस अटेम्प्ट दैट घर बैठे आप देख सकते हो. 9 नवंबर का डेफिनेटली आप देखो और हम लोगों के साथ शेयर करो. हम भी बोलेंगे कैसा लगा.
हम भी देखेंगे.
हम भी
even.
देखेंगे, हाँ, हम भी देखेंगे. एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, मैं भी ऑलरेडी मैं बोल चुकी हूँ कि अक्षय कुमार मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर में से हैं, क्योंकि उनका जो वे ऑफ अपीयरेंस है, उनका वे ऑफ एक्टिंग स्किल एंड
Everything is
होल बॉडी
perfect.
लैंग्वेज, डायलॉग डिलीवरी बहुत अच्छा है. बट नो ऑफेंस टू अक्षय कुमार जी, मुझे ये स्टोरी का जो कंटेंट है मुझे उतना
समझ नहीं
अच्छा
आया.
नहीं लगा और समझ में नहीं आया. ठीक है, दैट इज़ वॉट. तो कितना मार्क्स दोगी 10 में से?
I'll give 7.
7 out of 10. Okay.
And you?
I was going to like I thought actually that 8, but you have
okay.
reduced 1 mark. Okay, तो ठीक है, 8 and 7 out of 10 which is a decent number मुझे लगता है. तो देखते हैं मूवी कैसा लगता है, और उसके बाद आप लोगों से बात करेंगे इस मूवी के बारे में. एंड यार, नाउ दिस द टाइम टू रीड द कमेंट्स फॉर टुडे.
So the first comment for today's video is from Satish Nayak, and he says, please react on Pawan Kalyan aerial view of historic Janashena song please react to this song as soon as possible.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll definitely gonna give our reaction on this
On this
song.
song. Actually, Pawan Kalyan, he's a famous actor. Okay,
Okay.
he's a famous actor in Telugu industry, and we have already done reaction on Pawan Kalyan. Some couple of contents like movie. I think we have done the trailer. Trailer we have done, but the movie scenes unfortunately we couldn't do. But yeah, this song, I think this song is very famous. I know this song, Janasena song. So definitely we will be doing that. And thank you so much for this suggestion and for watching our videos.
So the next comment for today's video is from Ambitious007, and he says, we really love your videos. We pray for you, Mr. Pandit, and we are waiting to see your smiling face. Get well soon, sir.
Thank you
okay,
so
thank
much.
you so much
Yeah.
for your sweet comment.
Yeah, so we can do videos with him, Mr. Pandit, right?
He's gonna come as soon as possible.
as soon as possible, but in this sitting area he cannot sit for a
Sit
longer
properly.
time. So what we thought is we can do a smaller video, and we will be posting that in a week, so that you also can see his smiling face. And he is always smiling, okay, even though he is getting that much pain, surgery, 18 stitches. I already posted the video yesterday. You have got the information now what exactly happened with him, but still he is smiling all the time, right? And he misses you like anything. He every time he tells that how much
This
I am
channel
missing
is
this.
his life.
Yeah.
Totally.
So definitely you will be seeing his smiling face very soon. And thank you so much for your kind-hearted comment and for watching.
Many
our
of you
videos.
have posted
Ah,
so many
so
good
many.
comments about Mr. Pandit.
There were not a single
Not a
negative
single,
comments.
yeah.
Every
Everyone
comments
was
were
posting
positive,
about
and
that.
they all of you are supporting our
All of you are so
this
sweet
tough
about
time.
this. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. So the third comment for today's video is from Godwin James, and he is commenting, I'm happy at least you guys support and like Atli, cause he is now the most trolled director in the Tamil film industry because of scenes and plots of the movie being copied. But as you guys said, execution is also important. Congrats guys, good reaction. And he is commenting on director Atli's birthday special mashup 2020 reaction. Yes, definitely. I also have seen that people are telling some negative things also regarding Atli sir, but if you see his execution, that is not copied from any other directors. Okay, so ideas can be copied, that is not called copy, that is called inspiration. Okay,
Yeah.
people are distinguishing in a wrong way. Okay, I have seen that in many film industries, like in Hindi film industry also, you can see in Malayalam, in Telugu, in Tamil also here. So people are thinking that directors are copying ideas from other directors, but that's
That's
not
wrong,
true. That is
totally.
wrong. They are getting the inspiration from the directors, and by getting that inspiration they can execute in their own way.
And they're trying
Everyone
now.
are talented. Huh?
Everyone is trying, and they're
Yeah.
trying obviously, and
Yes.
we should respect that. Because
Yeah.
trying is a big thing.
Very big thing, and I don't think that he is not having any talent in him. He is only copying. I don't think. Okay, so he is very talented, and you should see at least
Yeah, I
some of
will
the movies.
definitely gonna
Okay,
see that.
I will definitely make you see. And yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.